Welcome everyone. I hope you're doing great today. In this video, we'll learn how to easily find all installed apps on your Windows 11 computer, whether you want to organize your apps or remove unnecessary ones. First, right-click on the Start icon located on your taskbar. Next, click on Settings from the list. Then, from the left sidebar, click on Apps. After that, click on Installed Apps. Here, you'll find a complete list of all the programs currently installed on your Windows 11 system. You can scroll through the list to explore everything that's installed. If you want to uninstall an app, simply click on the three dots next to its name, then select Uninstall. A small confirmation window will appear. Click on Uninstall again to remove the app from your computer completely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.